Unclogging the Mystery. Understanding, unclog a drain. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common but sometimes confusing phrase in the English language. Unclog a drain. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these everyday phrases is key to mastering English. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of unclog a drain. Clog means to block something. Therefore, unclog is the opposite. It means to remove the blockage. A drain is a pipe that carries wastewater or sewage away from your house. So, when we say, unclog a drain, it means to remove whatever is blocking a drain so that water can flow through it again. Understanding this phrase is important not just for everyday communication, but also in situations where you might need to describe a problem in your home or understand instructions on how to fix it. Knowing such phrases can be incredibly useful in practical life scenarios. 1. I need to unclog the drain in the kitchen sink. Water is not going down. 2. Can you recommend a good product to unclog drains? 3. After trying several methods, I finally managed to unclog the shower drain. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, highlighting its versatility. Here, you can include a short animated clip or images showing a clogged drain and someone unclogging it. This visual aid will help learners better understand and remember the phrase. Associate the phrase with the action. Whenever you see or think about a drain, remember, unclog. Practice using the phrase in sentences or in situations where it might be applicable. I hope this video has helped clear up any confusion about the phrase, unclog a drain. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding these little details that make up everyday communication. Keep practicing, and soon phrases like this will become a natural part of your English vocabulary. See you in the next video.